So we're going to do another double heart ring. We're just going to open up the paper clip slowly to get out all the kinks. You can also use 20 gauge wire. You'd need half hard wire, and these paper clips open to about 3 3/4 inches, so you can cut about a 4-inch piece of wire. So I'm just going to start forming a little heart. Bend this up and down, bend that up, down, up, down, bend this up, and then across. And this one here, we're just going to bend it across. Bend it around the ring cone, and we're just going to curve out these edges a little bit. This one too, just curve it out a little bit. Make sure they're beside each other. And there you have a super cool abstracted double heart ring.